eyes on me. Chad just look like a monkey. She be swinging from tree to tree. Tarzan, dang, Sanchez ugly. Sanchez ugly. She be screaming. Sanchez ugly. Vamos, yeah. Looking like an ugly. Looking like a gorilla that he came from the jungle. Yeah. Out of jail, just came from the house. Changed on my pants. Got $10 in pants. Charles looking like a fool. On his phone, that please, yeah. Yeah.
He's on YouTube. He's
not
watching video.
Yeah.
I watch it
Yeah.
I'm gonna watch it every time you get 1,000 views.
Random kid talking about some stuff. I don't even know what he's talking about. Yeah. Talking about some ugly things that I don't know. Yeah. Vamos, yeah, ugly every day. Looking like a John King came out the jungle. Yeah. Little bass right here, wrap himself off. Swag. Yeah, swag.
Oh my god, that was horrible. Swag.
Charles here talking about how I can't rap. Well, let me tell you something. I can rap better than him, swag. Yeah. I'm not in his memory. I take the rhymes and take him to school. Teaching lunchroom. Music school. Yeah. Let me finish right here because I'm better than him. I'm the one with the raps. And I'm right here. I'm saying that I'm freaking done. Swag.